Welcome back to another episode of Cactus Quest, a really quick Oaxaca series video for you guys today. Enjoy. So on about the third or fourth day of a 7-day trip, I had hiked in. We hiked about 40 minutes into a spot. Once you get to the rough area, you then have to hike down and go barefoot to cross a river.
All right, shoes are back on. Plants are up there.
You get to another ridge line and hike up. So we were there to photograph and document and take some flower measurements of Agave otero that was in bloom. And this is essentially a new location. This isn't a location that is really in the literature. It's not one that people really know about. So it's a cool experience, and the plants there were absolutely beautiful. What happened was I basically put the drone up. I was flying it back away from us, but had the camera aimed on us, and I was so caught up and infatuated with the zone we were in that I really wasn't paying attention to how fast and how far back towards the other ridge I was flying it. And so you can see the video here of what happened.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Crashed and recovered.
Oh,
thank you. Hell yeah. Woo. Teamwork makes the dream work.